Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the crucial world of maintenance inventory metrics. We'll unravel the secrets to successful inventory management and how the right data can help you streamline your processes. You'll learn about 7 key metrics prescribed by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. So whether you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around to gain insights that could revolutionize your inventory management strategy. Let's dive into the world of maintenance inventory metrics. They are the first step towards successful inventory management. With enough data, you can develop strategies to improve existing processes. Inventory can make or break your maintenance performance. Many maintenance metrics and key performance indicators rely on having the right parts at the right time. But it's not just about loading up the storeroom or getting rid of stock. The right mindset for managing inventory is to optimize, to stock smartly. So, how do you make informed decisions when optimizing inventory? You need the proper tools. Over the decades, organizations from various industries have established some best practices for inventory management. Here are 7 key metrics to track for inventory, as prescribed by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. First up, we have inventory turns. This is the ratio of the value of stock purchased to the value of stock currently on hand. This metric gives you a sense of how fast inventory is flowing through the storeroom. It also indicates the replenishment rate of your stocks. Higher values indicate fast-moving inventory, while lower values suggest slow-moving inventory. Next, we have stockouts. This happens when someone attempts to get a required part from the warehouse and is unable to do so. As a metric, it's expressed as the percentage of requests with stockout over the total number of requests. Measuring stockouts is a proactive way of increasing overall reliability. However, you must be cautious, so your strategies to reduce stockouts also consider inventory optimization. The third metric is vendor-managed inventory. This is defined as the number of vendor-managed stocked materials divided by the total number of stocked materials. There are some notable benefits of having your suppliers take full responsibility for your inventory needs. You not only gain accurate visibility with lead times, but it also places orders in optimal quantities and frequencies. The fourth metric is inactive stock. These are materials in your stockroom that have not been used in the last 12 months or longer. Analyzing the number of inactive stocks can lead you to more strategic decisions and actions to manage your working capital. Our fifth metric is storeroom transactions. This metric calculates the total number of transactions within a period, then divides it by the number of clerks. This represents the average number of transactions each clerk performs within the period. Next up, we have storeroom records. This metric also evaluates the workload of storeroom staff. You can calculate this metric by taking the total number of stock records and dividing it by the number of clerks working full-time within a given period. And finally, our 7th metric is maintenance material costs. A sizable portion of the total maintenance costs would be allocated to material costs. Maintenance material costs could include any expense incurred for materials, supplies, and consumables required to perform maintenance activities within a given period. Remember, tracking inventory metrics is the first step towards successful inventory management. By having enough data on the current situation, you can develop strategies to improve existing processes. After implementing the improvements, the metrics would objectively show the things you did correctly and the things you can further refine. This becomes a continually evolving process of learning and development. So start tracking these 7 key metrics today and optimize your inventory management. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of maintenance inventory metrics, the 7 key metrics to track for inventory management, and how they can help you make informed decisions and optimize your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more content like this. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Your journey to successful inventory management starts here.